You've just crushed your workout, you're sweating, your heart's pumping, but what you do after the workout can make or break your results. If your goal is to lose stubborn belly fat, what happens in the next 60 minutes is absolutely critical. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful things you should do after every workout to speed up belly fat loss, boost recovery, and keep your metabolism burning for hours. These aren't complicated hacks. They're simple, science-backed habits that most people overlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your post-workout routine into a fat-burning weapon. 1. Rehydrate the right way. First things first, water is your best fat-burning companion. After intense exercise, your body loses fluids through sweat, and dehydration slows metabolism and recovery. Replenish with plain water or electrolyte water. Skip sugary sports drinks. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins and maintain the fat-burning process long after your session ends. 2. Eat a protein-rich post-workout meal. If you're skipping your post-workout meal, you're missing a huge opportunity. After training, your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients. A meal rich in lean protein and complex carbs helps repair muscle and stabilize blood sugar. 3. Cool down and stretch. A lot of people stop moving right after their last rep, but that's a mistake. Taking 5-10 minutes to cool down and stretch not only reduces soreness, but also lowers cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. High cortisol levels are directly linked to increased belly fat. A proper cool down helps your body relax and recover faster. 4. Track your progress. Post-workout is the perfect time to track your calories burned, weight lifted, or even how you felt during the session. Tracking builds consistency, and consistency burns fat. Use your phone or a notebook to log your results. Seeing your progress over time keeps you motivated and disciplined. 5. Get enough sleep later. Yes, sleep counts as part of your post-workout recovery. Your body burns fat and builds muscle while you sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of deep rest. Poor sleep throws off your hormones, increases hunger, and slows your metabolism, all of which block belly fat loss. Make it a non-negotiable part of your fitness journey. Don't fall into the trap of thinking more exercise equals more fat loss. It's your recovery habits that actually drive change. After your workout, avoid overeating or rewarding yourself with junk food. It undoes your hard work. You can also add green tea or black coffee post-meal for a small metabolism boost. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep building the best version of you, one workout, one habit at a time.